This is a Medeco 6-pin kick cylinder that I got off of eBay. It didn't come with a key, so I'm going to try to get into it and then I'll talk about it. I'm going to use a Peterson's number 7 and a 40 thousandths pry bar in the top of the keyway. I'm going to go into the back. Hmm. Oh, there we go. Nice. Okay, so as everybody knows, with the medicos, you have to get them set to the right height and to the correct angle. So my method is, when I'm going in, I don't lift and then try to switch the pins. What I do is I angle to the left or to the right, and I had to map this whole cylinder out. So while I was lifting, I was alternating, angling my pick to lift and twist at the same time. This is a 6-pin core with the sidebar and everything, so they do have to be lifted correctly and to the right angle, which I'm sure you've seen. But I've tried to do the lift and then drag and push, and I just can't quite get it. So the best way I found for myself is, like, at the back on number 6, I had to angle my pick to the right and lift, and then 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 goes straight up. It was pretty, it's kind of difficult without having a key because you have no reference, but I did get this yesterday and I got it open, posted a picture on Facebook, and now I'm posting the video on YouTube.